Imagine applying for a $30,000 personal loan. You fill out the application, upload your income documents, click Submit. 30 seconds later, a message appears. Application declined. No phone call, no loan officer, no interview, no explanation, just rejected. But here's the shocking part. What if no human being actually made that decision? What if it was made by an artificial intelligence system that analyzed thousands of pieces of information about you in just a few seconds? It sounds like science fiction. It isn't. Banks around the world are rapidly investing billions into AI to detect fraud, assess risk, speed up approvals, and reduce lending losses. Moody's recently identified AI as one of the defining forces shaping global credit markets through 2026, while Fitch Ratings has warned that investor expectations around AI are becoming a new source of credit risk across financial markets. The future of lending isn't coming. It's already here. And the biggest question isn't whether AI can approve your loan, it's whether AI can reject it. At wiseconsultant.com, we've been watching this transformation closely because it could fundamentally change how millions of consumers prepare for mortgages, auto loans, credit cards, and personal loans. The rise of the AI loan officer. Banking has entered the AI era. For decades, getting a loan looked almost the same. A banker reviewed your application, checked your income, looked at your credit report, calculated your debt, made a recommendation. Sometimes it took days, sometimes weeks. Today, many of those steps happen in seconds. Artificial intelligence now helps lenders process enormous amounts of information almost instantly, instead of reviewing hundreds of applications each day. Modern AI systems can analyze thousands. They're faster, they never get tired, they don't need weekends, and they continuously improve as they're trained on more lending data. That's one reason banks continue investing heavily in AI despite the enormous costs. AI isn't replacing credit scores. It's reading the story behind them. Here's the biggest misconception. People think AI has replaced credit scores. Not true. Your credit score is still extremely important, but AI can look beyond the score. Imagine two borrowers. Both have a 720 FICO score. Traditional lending might see them as very similar. AI starts asking deeper questions. Has this person's debt been increasing every month? Has their income remained stable? Have they recently opened several new accounts? Are their spending patterns changing? Have they been making only minimum payments lately? Has their utilization steadily climbed over the last year? Suddenly, the same score tells two completely different stories. That's where AI becomes powerful. It doesn't just evaluate numbers, it evaluates patterns. Why banks are racing to build better AI? Banks don't invest billions in technology for fun. They invest because mistakes are expensive. Approving one borrower who later defaults can cost thousands of dollars. Multiply that across millions of loans, and risk management becomes everything. That's exactly why AI has become one of banking's biggest priorities. According to Moody's 2026 Outlook, AI is expected to improve operational efficiency, fraud detection, underwriting, and credit analysis across the financial sector, although institutions that fail to invest could become less competitive over time. Meanwhile, The Economic Times, citing Fitch Ratings, recently reported that confidence in AI investment has become increasingly tied to the outlook for major financial institutions and global credit markets, showing just how central AI has become to modern finance. This isn't a temporary trend. It's becoming the new infrastructure of banking, the secret data AI may analyze. Many people assume AI only looks at credit score, income, existing debt. In reality, modern underwriting systems may also evaluate combinations of factors such as payment history, credit utilization trends, debt-to-income ratio, employment stability, existing loan performance, recent credit inquiries, banking activity provided during the application process. Different lenders use different models. Some rely more heavily on traditional underwriting. Others combine AI with human review. The important point is this: AI isn't making random decisions. It's looking for patterns that suggest future repayment behavior. Can AI be fair? This has become one of the biggest debates in financial services. Supporters argue AI removes some forms of human bias. Computers don't get tired. They don't have bad days. They don't judge applicants based on appearances. But critics ask an important question. What if the data used to train AI already contains historical bias? Could an algorithm unintentionally repeat those patterns? These concerns have become so significant that regulators around the world are increasing their focus on AI transparency, consumer protection, and responsible lending practices. The future of lending isn't simply about smarter AI, it's about trustworthy AI. The Forbes warning: every borrower should hear. One of the biggest recent discussions came from Forbes, which asked a fascinating question: is AI coming for your credit score? The answer wasn't that AI will replace credit scoring overnight. Instead, AI is increasingly becoming another layer of decision-making. That means your traditional score still matters. But lenders may also evaluate broader financial behavior using advanced analytical tools. Think of it this way: your credit score may open the door. AI increasingly helps decide whether you walk through it. The biggest myth about AI approvals: many people now believe if AI decides loans, there's nothing I can do. That's completely wrong. AI doesn't reward luck, it rewards consistency. The same habits that strengthen your financial life also improve the information AI evaluates. Consistent payments, healthy utilization, stable financial behavior, responsible borrowing. Those aren't old-fashioned ideas. They're becoming even more valuable in an AI-driven lending world. At 𝐲𝐻consultant.com, we remind people that AI isn't looking for perfect borrowers. It's looking for predictable borrowers, because predictability reduces risk. And reducing risk is what lending has always been about. Can you appeal an AI loan rejection? Imagine this: you apply for a personal loan. 30 seconds later, rejected. Your first thought might be, the computer made a mistake. But here's what many people don't realize. In many cases, AI doesn't make the final legal lending decision by itself. It assists lenders by analyzing risk, flagging applications, and recommending outcomes, while financial institutions remain responsible for complying with consumer protection and fair lending laws. If your application is denied, lenders generally provide an adverse action notice, explaining the primary reasons for the decision. That notice is one of the most valuable documents you'll ever receive. Why? Because it tells you what to improve. Maybe your debt-to-income ratio was too high. Maybe recent late payments raised concerns. Maybe your credit utilization suggested financial stress. Instead of viewing a rejection as the end, treat it as a roadmap. Every reason listed becomes an opportunity to strengthen your profile before applying again. At 𝐲𝐻consultant.com, we encourage borrowers to never guess why they were declined. Understand it, then fix it. AI notices patterns humans often miss. Here's where artificial intelligence becomes incredibly powerful. Imagine reviewing 100,000 loan applications. No human team can remember every detail. AI can. It identifies tiny patterns across millions of data points. For example, a borrower whose credit card balances increase every month. Someone who repeatedly makes only minimum payments. Someone opening multiple accounts within a short period. Someone whose debt grows faster than income. Individually, these signals may seem small. Together, they create a financial story. That's exactly what AI is trained to recognize. Not one mistake, not one missed payment, a pattern. Because patterns often predict future behavior better than isolated events. The 5 habits that make you look lower risk to AI. Here's the good news. You don't need to understand machine learning to benefit from it. You simply need to build the habits AI is designed to recognize. 1. Pay on time, every time. Payment history remains one of the strongest indicators of future repayment. Consistency matters. 2. Keep utilization low. Low, maxed-out credit cards often suggest financial pressure. Lower balances suggest greater flexibility. 3. Avoid panic applications. Submitting applications to multiple lenders in a short period can signal financial distress. Research first. Apply strategically. 4. Build stable financial behavior. Large swings in debt, spending, or borrowing create uncertainty. Predictability builds confidence. 5. Think long-term. AI increasingly rewards borrowers who demonstrate healthy financial habits month after month, not just right before applying. In other words, the best way to impress AI is the same way you'd impress an experienced banker. The biggest mistake people will make. Many people will hear about AI and assume they need new tricks. They don't. They need stronger habits. There isn't an AI hack. There isn't a secret prompt. There isn't a shortcut. AI is becoming better at identifying genuine financial responsibility, which means trying to fool the system is becoming harder every year. At 𝐲𝐻consultant.com, we tell people to stop asking, how do I beat AI? Instead ask, how do I become the kind of borrower AI wants to approve? That one mindset shift changes everything. The big lesson: artificial intelligence isn't changing the purpose of lending. It's changing the speed, the depth, and the precision. Banks still want the same thing they've always wanted: borrowers who repay responsibly. AI simply helps identify those borrowers more efficiently. That's why your future loan approval may depend on much more than a single 3-digit score. It may depend on the financial habits you've been building for months or even years. At 𝐲𝐻consultant.com, We believe the future belongs to borrowers who understand that every payment, every balance, and every financial decision tells a story. Make yours a story lenders and AI can trust. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.